Welcome back to Design Engineer. In today's video, I will walk you through your first 3D model in Fusion 360. If you are new to Fusion 360, don't worry. We will cover the basic step by step so you can start building confidently. Let's begin by opening Fusion 360. Here is the main workspace. You will notice a Fusion 360 organized into sections. Toolbar. This is where you will find tools like sketching, extruding, assembling, and browser. This is where you can manage your components and bodies. View cube. You can rotate and view your model in different angle. Timeline. This is a this these tracks every action you take in the design process. The first step in any 3D modeling is creating a 2D sketch. Click on create sketch. You will need to choose a plane to sketch on. Select the XY plane, which is a front plane. Let's draw a simple rectangle which will turn into 3D object. And enter precise dimension, for example 100 width, and tab 50 mm. Click enter. Now when you are that we have our sketch, let's turn into 3D object. Click finish sketch and click extrude or E key button on keyboard. You can also drag or enter precise dimension like 30 and click OK. Now we have 3D rectangle, or more precisely a box. Let's get familiar with navigating the model. Use your mouse to orbit around the object. Hold the middle mouse button to pan the view. Scroll, zoom in and out. Use the view cube to snap different views, for like front view, home view, right view, or a top view, like this. To make this model more interesting, let's round the edges. Click on fillet and select the edges. And enter a precise value, for example 10 mm, and click OK. Now we have created our first 3D model. It's time to save it. Click on the save icon in the toolbar. Name your model. And select your project to save it. Okay, click save. If you want to export the model to use elsewhere, click on File menu and choose Export. In various formats like STL for 3D printing, and click Export. And that's it for today tutorials. You have just created your first 3D model in Fusion 360. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we will dive into more complex modeling techniques. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.